I'm John Benedict DJ Malaras and I'm 11 Yums Hernandez, the House of Slytherin, and we will review the Unfriended Dark Web. Number 1. Introduction about the film, title, director, characters, and synopsis. Unfriended Dark Web is a 2018 techno-horror film directed by Stephen Sasko. The story follows a group of friends, Matthias, Amaya, Nari, Serena, Damon, and AJ, who communicate through a group video call. The plot begins when Matthias finds a laptop that doesn't belong to him. As it explores explores the files, the group accidentally becomes involved with members of the dark web, an online criminal network capable of hacking. Number 2. Are there any trends in ICT tackled in the film? Explain. Yes, the film tackles several ICT trends: cloud storage and encrypted file. The stolen laptop contains hidden folders, encrypted videos, and evidence of cybercrimes, showing how technology can be used both legally and illegally. Video conferencing and social media. Most of the story happens through Skype calls, Facebook messaging, and online chats, showing how communication today heavily depends on ICT. ICT platforms, hacking and digital tracking. The film highlights how advanced hackers can access webcams, microphones, location data, and personal files, exposing real-world ICT vulnerabilities, digital recording, and data sharing. The dark web criminals use technology to record, store, and auction disturbing videos, showing the dangerous misuse of media tools. 3. Are there any internet threats shown in the film? If yes, elaborate. Yes, the whole film revolves around serious internet threats. Number 1 is hacking. The Charon group can remotely control devices, delete files, and alter digital evidence. Number 2 is identity theft. Matthias unknowingly uses a stolen laptop which contains another person's identity and private data. Cyberstalking. The hackers track the characters in real life using their phones, webcams, and GPS. Number 4 is phishing and digital manipulation. They create fake chats, fake bank transactions, and edited videos to manipulate situations. Number 5. Dark web exploitation. The film exposes illegal online markets where criminals buy and sell harmful content, of the hidden dangers of unregulated internet spaces. Number 4 is, what lessons have you learned from the film? Be careful with be careful with what you share online because any information can be used against you. Protect your digital privacy, use strong passwords, avoid unknown devices, and never access suspicious files. The internet is not as safe as it looks. Hackers can access webcams, accounts, and personal data without your knowledge. Think before clicking or downloading anything because one mistake can expose you to cyber threats. Communicating responsibility online is important.